In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Coda.io doc. Whether you're looking to create a full backup or simply want to have all your documents in a different format, understanding how to export your Coda docs is a valuable skill. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to accomplish this task with ease. First, let's get started by navigating to your account settings. To do this, open your preferred web browser and log into your Coda account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the Account Settings area. Typically, you'll find this option by clicking on your profile picture or avatar, often situated in the top right corner of the Coda interface. By clicking there, a drop-down menu should appear, giving you access to various settings and options related to your account. With the account menu now visible, your next step is to look for Advanced Settings. This section might not be instantly recognizable, so take a moment to peruse through the available options. Advanced Settings usually contain deeper, more intricate configurations for your account, so be sure to click there once you find it. Upon entering the Advanced Settings menu, you'll notice various options presented to you. Your focus here should be on finding the Export My Data feature. This option is crucial as it facilitates the process of exporting each of your docs. Selecting Export My Data initiates the process, allowing you to create backups or move your documents to another platform or storage format. After you've clicked on Export My Data, Coda will begin preparing your documents for export. This includes all of your docs, ensuring you have a comprehensive backup. The export process will generate two types of files for you: TXT files and .csv files. These formats are universally recognized and are perfect for both storing and using your documents with various applications outside of Coda. The TXT files will contain the text content of your documents, while the .csv files are particularly useful for any data tables or structured content you may have, making it easy to import into spreadsheet applications later. As you proceed, keep in mind that this process exports all documents you own in Coda. So, if you're sharing documents but are not the owner, those shared docs won't be part of this export. It's always a good practice to regularly back up your important documents just to ensure you never lose crucial data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to export your Coda docs effectively, providing you with a full backup and the flexibility to use your content in various formats and applications. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Coda.